Hey guys, this is Michael with Quiet Lawn and Neon Pest and Lawn. I hope you're doing well. I'm excited about this video, and I'm excited to share that Jonathan Potoshnik, the lawn care millionaire, is back and he's making YouTube videos again. If you're not familiar with Jonathan Potoshnik, he is an amazing, brilliant businessman. I call him the Elon Musk of the lawn care industry. He's just a very sharp, very smart guy. He's built an 8-figure lawn care business in Texas that he still owns. He built one of the biggest CRMs, Service Autopilot, that he recently sold in the last 3 or 4 years. And he's built another 8-figure business. I think it was a cleaning business before that. So he's just a brilliant guy, very smart, very much a visionary. And the way he thinks, a lot of the stuff that the successful people you watch in the lawn care space are doing, they learn from this guy. He's just brilliant. He sees things in a different way. For 20 years building his business, he had one-man crews, or he was running push mowers and all this stuff that took the rest of us years to figure out. He's been doing all this stuff for years. He's just a really smart guy. And he had a YouTube channel called The Lawn Care Millionaire. And, it's not one of these exciting YouTube channels where you're watching guys mow tall grass or talking about equipment. He basically was on a whiteboard. He was showing us how to know our numbers, showing us how to run the business, talking about everything you need to be successful, marketing, all that stuff, all that boring stuff that makes your business great. He was talking about that, and he's kind of the OG talking about that stuff. I learned a lot from him. I've had the pleasure of meeting and having conversations with him for a few different occasions. I was lucky enough to meet him at the LCR Summit back in January, and his advice is always gold. I very much enjoyed my time talking with him, and have been working on implementing everything, the advice that he gave me. Although I'm terrible at it, we've been implementing the stuff that we talked about, the guidance that he kind of gave me during that time. But he's back. He's got when he sold Service Autopilot, he also sold the Lawn Care Millionaire. That was part of the deal. He had to sell that YouTube channel, so he doesn't have that anymore. He started a new YouTube channel, which we're going to post the link below. I've got it behind me here on the TV. It's called 5 for 50. But he's already dropped about 20 or so videos, and they are absolute gold. Every one of them is very pertinent to our business, and he's just a brilliant guy, and a good person, a great person. So I highly recommend you adding him and subscribing. It's 5 for 50. But yeah, just a great guy. Lots of good videos already. We'll put the link below to his YouTube channel. I'd love to hear your comments below about how he's impacted your business. I'm sure many of you have watched his videos in the past. If you're newer in the industry, go to the Lawn Care Millionaire page, YouTube channel, because the videos are still up, and watch all of his old videos. I mean, they're absolute gold. Everything in there, everything you need to have a successful lawn care or any other business is in there. But yeah, check it out. I'm excited to see him back. I hope to see him in person in the near future. Because every time I talk to him, it's just, even if just a few minutes with him can completely change the direction of your business or help you solve a problem that you might be having in your business. Because this guy's been through it all. He's built multiple 8-figure businesses, 3 of them. And he knows what you're going through. He knows the struggles, and he knows the way to get through that and get to the next step. So please go subscribe to his channel. I really appreciate you guys watching. I hope you have a good day, and see you soon.